Maturity models. Maturity model is a tool for process improvement. Maturity model shows how capable an organization or system is of achieving continuous improvement. Maturity model provide framework for envisioning the future, the desired state, and the development of improvement plans. Maturity model provides benchmarks for the organization to compare its process internally or externally. Maturity model provide mechanism to provide insight into the improvement path from an immature to a mature process. Maturity model provide disciplined method that is easy for management to understand and implement. Capability Maturity Model Integration is a process-level improvement program created to integrate an assessment and process improvement guidelines for separate organizational functions. CMMI development describes best practices for the development and maintenance of products and services across their life cycle. CMMI services is a comprehensive set of guidelines to help organizations establish and improve processes for delivering services. CMMI for acquisition describes best practices for the successful acquisition of products and services. People Capability Maturity Model has key capabilities and best practices to improve people management. Capability Maturity Model Integration. Maturity levels are initial, managed, defined, qualitative, managed, and optimized. Initial, also known as Maturity Level 1, describes an organization whose processes are ad hoc or chaotic. Managed, or Maturity Level 2, indicates that processes at this level are planned and executed according to organizational policy, and the management has visibility on work products and defined points. Defined, or Maturity Level 3, relates to processes that are described in standards, procedures, and methods. Qualitatively managed, or Maturity Level 4, is when an organization uses quantitative objectives for quality and process performance as project management criteria. Optimizing, or Maturity Level 5, emphasizes continuous improvements through qualitative and statistical methods as well as by responding to changing business needs and technology. Building security in Maturity Model is a descriptive software security focused maturity model based on actual software security initiatives. Software Assurance Maturity Model is a framework to help organizations formulate and implement a security software strategy that is tailored to the specific risks for the organizations.